Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Welcome to Railway Talk. Today we will discuss a topic that is still relevant, especially in our country because in our country railway is very modern and updated. Railways are not just a means of transportation, but also a important part of history, technology, and future of human mobility. And now I'm not alone. We have some great person in here. Can you introduce yourself one by one?
Okay, hello. My name is Alif, Dr. Alif, railway historian. I am Fawaz, railway engineer.
I am Sabrina, rail fans.
I am Ravi, expert on railways and future transportation.
Okay, let's start from the beginning. First, I will ask to Dr. Arif, what was the actual need that led to the emergence of railways?
Okay, if we go back to the early 19th century, railways emergent due to industrial needs. At that time, factories and mines were growing rapidly, but transportation was still limited. Eventually, steam trains were invented to pull carriages on rail. That's
Okay, so initially trains weren't from passenger, right?
That's right. Initially, they focused to transportation goods such as coal and mining products, but over time, people realized that trains were also effective to transporting people.
Because of that, how did the public respond at that time?
Initially, they were amazed, but also afraid. Just imagine a large vehicle pulling many carriage and many passengers at high speed on rails. But because it was fast and efficient, the train was eventually accepted worldwide.
Okay, next I will ask to Dr. Arif again. What were the impact of the train on society?
In the most train excellent trade, reduced logistic costs and opened up remote areas. Even the time system became more regular because of train schedules.
Okay, so train changed the way people live, right?
Yes, they changed it significantly.
Okay, next we'll talk about Mr. Fawaz.
Yes.
Mr. Fawaz, when comparing trains in the past and now, how big the difference?
The difference
Yes.
is
Huge.
from steam trains that were wasteful and hot. Now we have diesel, electric, hybrid, and even computer-based train.
Okay, what about the comfort?
It much. There's air conditioners, good suspension, ergonomic seats, and advanced safety system.
Okay, I wanna ask about rolling stock. What exactly is rolling stock? What's the mean is rolling stock?
Rolling stock refers to all vehicles that run on rails, such a locomotive and carriage. Nowadays, the design focus energy efficiency and safety.
In terms of safety, is it safer now? More safer than the past?
it must safer. Okay. There are automatic side mill, modern braking system, and centralized control. Human error can be minimized.
Okay, now let's hear from the rail fans, Sabrina. As a rail fans, what are your thoughts on the development of train?
As rail fans, I'm really happy to see the development of trains today. Trains used to seem old and slow, but now they are more modern and functional.
What do you think about Indonesia? Indonesia Railways.
The progress is not dependable. There are culture trains, MRT, and long-distance trains that are increasingly comfortable. But of course, there is still room for improvement.
Okay, because you are rail fans, you have some hopes as a rail fans to hopes for railways in Indonesia.
Hopefully, the train network in remote areas will expand and more people will use public transportation, including trains.
Okay, Dr. Ali, what do you think about the comparison between trains in Indonesia in the past and in the now?
Okay, in the past, trains in Indonesia were slower, had minimal facilities, and focused on the colonial economy. Now, they are much better and focus on public service.
Technical, they have also improved, but in terms of maintenance and operation.
Okay, now let's move on to Mr. Alfi. What do you think the future railways will be like?
The future of railways will be fast, smart, and environmentally friendly. We will see more high-speed trains, automation, and the use of green energy.
In your opinion, are high-speed trains like ACC is important?
They are very important, especially for large countries. They can save time and increase productivity.
Okay. What about the environment? Is it safe for environment for a plan or something like that?
Trains are one of the most environmentally friendly modes of transportation. In the future, the use of clean electricity and alternative energy will become more dominant.
Next, automatics also makes operation more different, more efficient, more efficient.
Okay. From your opinion, from your POV, any message for student or young people who like a rail fan, who like a railway or something?
Okay, so don't think of trains as something of passion. This is file that will be useful in the future.
And there will also be many career opportunities in the future. For example, in engineering, IT, and transportation.
And so all public transportation use will likely also make a real contribution.
Okay. Maybe that's enough for the talk show today. Okay, thank you, Mr. Lik, Mr. Pawas.
Yes, thank you so much.
Sabrina,
Yes.
and Sekarang ya.
Okay.
Okay, thank you everyone. Goodbye.
Thank you so much.
Nah,